Good morning, everyone. We'll start the call now. So, yesterday, US markets closed higher with positive retail sales data coming in. The retail sales increased by 0.2% in February month in the US. Though they were lower than expected, expectation was of a growth of 0.6%. But numbers came in better than Jan month's number, wherein in Jan the same numbers had declined by 1.2%. So these numbers were good for the markets. That apart, US President Trump is scheduled to meet today with Russian President Putin to resolve the Russian Ukraine war. So that also helped prop up the investor sentiment. Further, today, US Fed Reserve will start the two-day meeting, with investors are keenly awaiting its stance on the interest rates. So, Fed Chair Powell has had earlier hinted that rising trade tariffs could make inflation harder to control. So, the final policy decision will be announced tomorrow. Taking positive cues globally, today Asian markets are also trading higher, and Indian markets are also headed for a positive start. For a detailed preview, I request technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Kavita. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up opening, and we're likely to witness some positive momentums. All the reason has been mentioned by Kavita. On the technical ground, the resistance is placed at around 22,640. Any move above that level, we are likely to witness continuation of this positive rally towards the 22,700, 22,770. On the downside, the support is placed at around 22,440. Below that level, 22,370 is the very strong resistance levels. View will remain a positive, and this pullback rally is likely to be continued as long as Nifty sustains about 22,370 levels mark on the closing basis. Coming towards the bank Nifty, the resistance is placed at around 48,740. Above that level, 49,000 can be tested, 49 to 40 levels can be seen on the higher side. Whereas the support is placed at around 48,270 and 48,000. Those are the very strong psychological support levels. Stock specific, JSW Energy looks good on the technical front. Currently, the stock is trading nearby its support zone, well placed above the short term moving averages, trading in the formations of the high tops, high bottom. We believe it has a very strong potential to reach up to 545 to 550 levels. So, try to accumulate or take a buy call at the current market price by maintaining a strict stop loss of 515 for a target of 545. That's it from my end. I request Neerav to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. See, on the derivative front, nothing much has changed. As we said even yesterday, that some more buying should come in up to 22,700, 22,800 odd levels. And that is where the resistance is. That is likely to happen. A sustainable rally should come in as the VIX increases and the open interest decreases. Once that happens, we'll let you know. But as of now, it can be a good point to book some profits around that 22,800 odd mark for Nifty. From the support front, 22,500 is now a very good support area. Once this is crossed below, then you will see resumption of the downtrend. But until then, you can see some consolidation or some buying going in Nifty. Um, from the stock specific front, most of the stocks are witnessing some short covering action, and we expect banks to witness further buying. A lot of shorts were built in, and some short covering is coming in there. So yeah, look out for the same. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Like to other fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah, thank you, Nirav. So, yesterday we met the management of Western Carriers Limited. Like the name suggests, it's a logistic player with focus mainly in the railway logistics. So, Western Carriers is an asset light company with market share of 6% in the domestic business and 2% in the EXIM business, based on the container volumes handled by various private players. So, company basically creates customized solutions for its clients, addressing their complex nature of business. Some prominent clients the company has include Tata Steel, Hindalco, Jindal Stainless Steel, HUL, Vedanta, Tata Consumer, amongst many other players. So, Western Carriers has been delivering good performance in its profitability in the past several years with better return ratios compared to its peers. It also mines the existing marquee clients with a 100% retention ratio and is adding good number of MSME clients as well to its customer profile. Company recently has announced a 1200 crore order book from Vedanta, which is a 25% incremental orders than before, which it has to execute over the next 4 years. So the company continuously keeps adding value, giving value-added services to its clients and secures their stickiness. And the management also stated that they're in advanced talks with Reliance and such other players in securing further business from them. However, EXIM trade continues to remain subdued, and company hopes this business to start normalizing in the next 4 to 8 quarters. So Western management expects a good Q4 quarter on the back of good growth seen in the domestic business, especially the MSME side. On an annualized FY25 basis, stock is available at 10 times and is very attractive. So one can accumulate the stock for 2 to 3 years time frame given the niche focus of this business. That's it from me. Thank you.
Good morning. News update regarding Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv have signed share purchase agreements with Alliance SC to acquire 26% stake in the two insurance joint ventures, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company and Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance Company for rupees 24,180 crore. Post the acquisition, Bajaj Group's stake in the two insurance ventures will go up to 100% from 74% currently. Bajaj Group will acquire the 26% stake in Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance Company for rupees 10,400 crore and in Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company for rupees 13,780 crore. So this is positive for Bajaj Finserv. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it from fundamental side. I request Harshal to take the call forward. I think commodity team is not available today. That's it from our side. Thank you all for the call. Thank you.